Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 setting closes immediately or not opening. Let's fix it guys. For that you just want to right click on the start icon, select terminal admin, click on yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy the first command, copy it and paste it in with Ctrl V, press enter. Wait for it. After finishing this command, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. And after restarting your PC, check whether your problem has been resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, go to terminal admin again, right click on the start icon, select terminal admin, click on yes. Now in here you just need to check my video description for the second command guys. Just need to copy it and tap the bar. Just need to paste with Ctrl V and press enter. Wait for it. After finishing this, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. And after restarting your PC, your problem resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.